The event switch is designed to function as an automated response to something a normal user would do. If the MC notices a change and you have set a reaction, it will execute the command. Basically, the logic of the buttons is the same as a user. To set up an event switch, in your Programs tab, click the three dots on any program and select Event Switch. From there, you can automate reactions based on triggers, as if you were doing it manually. With a click of a button, you can prompt things to stop, pause, resume, and start under certain conditions. Please note that the MC must be on to recognize a switch.
A new feature has been added to the event switch. Now it is possible to set up a logic chain by selecting multiple functions when opening and closing your valves.